Hello, my friends. Welcome to my ASMR. Today we are talking about biomolecules or macromolecules. Um, you may well be asking, what are macromolecules? Well, macromolecules are large molecules that are needed for life. Yeah, and there are four types of macromolecules, and they are carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and nucleic acids. Um, but before we go straight into the four types of macromolecules, I want to talk about monomers. Well, what are monomers? Monomers are building blocks that make up all four types of these macromolecules. Yeah, let's start by talking about carbohydrates. Yeah, don't judge the drawing. Okay, I tried my best. But this is what carbohydrates look like. Carbohydrates. Okay. If you didn't know, we call them carbs. The only time when we talk about carbs is when we're talking about dieting. Yeah, crazy, right? But yeah, carbohydrates are called carbs. And carbohydrates must contain nucleic acids like DNA to direct the cell's activities. Yeah. Also, before we end this ASMR video, me amigas and amigos, is that by understanding the structure of all of these four major molecules, help us predict their properties, and we can easily identify all four of them. Yeah, thank you for watching my